Hello from Wonder Chef, India's finest cookware and appliances brand. When you choose Wonder Chef, you choose health, you choose fashion, you choose lifestyle.
हर रोज घर पे हम 2 या 3 बारी तो दूध उबालते ही हैं और जब दूध उबालते हैं तो उसे गिराते भी हैं. And we have developed this milk pan for our customers. It's a boon. We have sold more than 3 lakh pieces of this milk pan in last 4 years. And let me show you what is so wonderful about this milk pan. First, it's high quality steel construction. This is made from 304 grade steel, which is stainless steel of rust-free variety. Yes, it will never rust, and that is what you need when you have a milk boiler. But what is most amazing in this milk pan is that it comes with a whistle. Yes, when the milk is boiled, the whistle starts to blow, and it blows so loudly that you can be anywhere in your home. You will hear it, I guarantee to you. The other beautiful part of this milk pan is that while the milk would boil, it will actually not come out. It will not boil over. That means the milk would boil, but it would nicely stay inside the pan. वो बाहर नहीं आएगा, गिरेगा नहीं. Now, what creates this magic? How is it possible? This is possible because of the special double-walled construction of this milk pan. While you see it looks like a simple pan, actually it has 2 walls, the outer wall and the inner wall. And what is there in between them? Well, there is air in between them which you need to fill with water. So here is the whistle. Here that you see is the whistle. You take it out and you pour some water inside it. Tilt the pan like this and pour some water nicely and slowly inside it. Now the water is inside the pan, and let us put the whistle back. So what is the science behind it? When we heat the pan, whether over the gas or over an induction cooktop, the heat is first heating the water. The water boils, and as we all know, the water boils at 100 degrees centigrade, and then it converts to steam, and the temperature of the water, because of this reaction, does not rise above 100 degrees. Actually, the fire can be continuing under the water, under the steel, under the pan, but because the water is getting converted into steam, it absorbs the heat. That reaction absorbs the heat, keeping the temperature of the water constant at 100 degrees centigrade. And this heat at 100 degrees is getting transferred into your milk, so the milk would boil. When the steam comes out, the whistle would sound, बहुत जोर से सीटी बजेगी. You will get to know that the milk is now ready, it is getting boiled, and in a couple of minutes you can take it off the gas. So let's see how it actually operates. Let me pour some milk inside. And now let's switch on our induction plate. Here we go. And we wait for a few minutes till the time the water boils, which in turn will boil our milk. Let me also tell you something very special about this pan. You see, the construction of the pan is a tall design, which means that when the milk is boiled, you let it cool down, and then you carry this pan and keep it into the refrigerator. It will store 1.5 liters of milk. It will take very less space, and you will be able to store the milk very efficiently. Because of the special construction of the pan, you can pour out the milk as and when you need it for your tea or for your kids very easily. Oh, I can hear the whistle. Can you? And let's see how is the milk. I think that's enough. The milk is boiling nicely inside. We'll switch off the induction plate. And with the cool touch bakelite handle, you can easily pick up the pan. And let's see. The milk is nicely boiled with cream at the top, malai at the top, and you can pour it nice and easy into any pan, or you can even just store it as it is with the lid in your fridge after the pan has cooled down. When you see the pan, good as new.
All Wonder Chef products come with a warranty. Should anything happen to your product during this time, call us and we will be there for you.